Hello and welcome to episode 4. So today, how did today begin? Business as normal. We got the boat in the water with the trailer. Very simple, very straightforward. It's something that we feel quite confident doing. It's probably the one thing that we can do quite well, getting the boat into the water. So in terms of sailing, we wanted to try something a bit different this week. Usually we're quite dependent on the electric motor. We use that to get as far away from anything that we could possibly hit before we even begin sailing. This time we wanted to do it a bit different. We wanted to actually use the sails to sail away on our own. To make this easier for ourselves, we carefully moved the boat around the jetty into the direction that we wanted to go.
Right, get it sails up now then.
Yeah. So for getting the sails up, we've got a new handle this week. Due to a miscalculation last time, human error, it was lost. It was lost to the depths. Mistakes happen. As long as you learn from the mistakes and you use it to improve, then the mistake was not for nothing. It was worth something.
You got that there, right? Yeah, I mean, it's not going to go anywhere.
So yeah, we got the sails up and it was quite simple. All I had to do was just let go of a rope and that was it. We were on our way.
Which way? No, straight on now. Go that way. Oh, we're not going to make that, you know.
Aside from narrowly hitting another boat, it actually worked out.
Just about. Yeah.
Perhaps it was just luck, I don't know. Maybe if the wind was coming from a different direction, it'd be harder. But for us, it worked. And before long, we were out on the lake and we were sailing. I mean, we've reached the point now where things don't really go wrong.
Oh no.
What?
A handle?
Oh, you're joking. Did you take it out? Did you take it out?
Yeah, we lost our second handle over the side.
It's gone.
Oh,
Yep.
The handle that we used to get the sail up and then back down again. So we now had a boat sailing along, which we actually couldn't stop.
Yep.
Luckily, we were there to sail, so we figured we may as well just keep sailing, and we'll figure out how to stop later on.
Oh, we're doing it again. Yeah.
Here we are again on our next voyage. We're heading towards land. Turn now. You gonna hit them?
No, they're going to hit us.
Oh no, oh no. That was close.
Look at them, look.
That was really close.
Shit, so I really feel like we're sailing now.
Well, we are sailing. We are.
Before long, it was time for me to take over command of our boat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It feels like we lost our speed, but actually,
No, you're in the
we're still
wind.
doing 5 knots.
I did tell you once you get running with the wind,
You don't know. Because you don't feel like you're moving.
it's because you're going at the same speed as the wind.
Yeah.
When you're going against it, the wind's hitting and you're going the other way.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's helpful. The wind's behind you. They're really creating a wash here. Love it. Still need to find something to get that mast thing down, because even it's just as bloody screwdriver.
My dad went into the cabin. I continued sailing the boat.
Quite nice in here. I find it quite comfy in here.
He was trying to make a cup of tea, and I was trying to sail. To be honest, I enjoy sailing boats. I mean, obviously, I'm not as good. I mean, my dad's had the privilege of all the previous videos to make all the mistakes and learn for himself. But now I want to learn, and I can't just learn from him just telling me the answers to his mistakes that he made. I need to make mistakes for myself and learn from that.
So push the tiller right over before you stop, and then pull that one in.
Well, pull too much stuff to do in one go.
No, I think stop. You're going directly in the opposite direction of what you came at.
Now the hardest part is doing a tack. A tack is where you turn so much that the wind is now hitting a different side of the boat. that means you've got to completely readjust the sails. I mean, they have to be like pretty much the opposite of how it was before. There isn't really time to think about, oh yeah, the wind is there, so I need to do it. There is no time. There is no time. You have to just do it instinctively. You have to do it like that.
We'll do it that way then. We'll put it in there. Put it in there, Harry. Oh, Harry. Let that go. Push it over. That way.
You need to stop telling me what.
I'm telling you. I'm not shouting, but you're not doing it. Look.
You are. You're telling me the wrong stuff.
I'm not.
You are.
I struggle to learn when I'm being told what to do. You know, I'm not a puppet. I can't just follow a set of instructions and then just learn from it. I just can't. I have to actually do it. I have to physically do it and make the mistakes myself.
Well, don't keep us straight, Harry, because this tea's going to go everywhere now. Well, that's your tea, go.
But if someone else has already made those mistakes and then they're giving you instructions, you know, in real time while you're trying to do it, it's just distracting. It's just too much. It's just too much going on.
When you turn, push it in and keep it over there. Don't push it over and bring it back, yeah? Push it over, yeah? Loosen that one off. No, look what you've done. Look what you've done to the tiller. Look at what you've done to the tiller. You've got it the wrong way now. It needs to be over there.
No. We want to go that way. We want to go that way.
You just said it over there.
I mean, it's not like there is a right way. This lake is so small, there is no way. There's nowhere to go. So just leave me alone. Let me just sail. Let me make the mistakes. Let me just figure this out on my own. And I'm willing to take advice as and when I want to. But yeah. Anyway, despite that, I promptly found myself demoted. So I returned back to the cabin. I mean, we had things to figure out. I had to figure out how we're going to stop this boat when the time comes. I mean, we're still sailing along with no way to actually get the sails back down again. So that was something we had to solve. So I started looking into that.
See, the only thing I can think of, just let it down
Yeah.
and try and fold it onto the boom and tighten the rope. Ready for a turn, yeah?
Yeah.
I've stuck on 240 degrees right.
You know, it's almost like a survival situation.
Wonder if that'll work. That?
You have to just improvise. You have to improvise with what you've got.
Yeah, if this was like a survival film, they'd cut one out of wood using the knife. Yeah. So, if you get one of these, you just need to manufacture like a point. Oh. That will do it. Ah, that turns it. Turns it.
Okay. In the toolbox,
Yeah.
there's some more rips.
There we go.
Just go down to that. I'm screwing it. Go on. Keep going. Keep going. Right, stop. Alright, that might be a bit loose, but it might be alright.
Okay.
Yeah. I think how you rescue somebody in the boat is quite high.
You just put the ladders down.
You know, just stop. You know, you're going to come alongside them and they're going to try and grab the ladders and it was past it like 4 knots.
So yeah, it seemed that we had a solution. We had a solution to eventually stop this boat. With that good news in mind, we had a cup of tea and then we were back out there sailing.
Oh. See the yellow boat? That's the one you had to offend them.
That is pretty cool, that is.
That is really cool.
So now, the wind's directly behind us. Yeah. Look how nice it is. Just moving.
Before long, I actually found myself with another opportunity to sail.
Do you want it in? Okay.
To fix the mistakes of last time.
Rest at last. Can I push it to this?
Yeah, I'm going to do it back. Sit down.
I am willing to accept advice. I will take advice and I'll try my best to learn from it. If I think it's adding value.
We're going to go this way then. So, I don't say anything. Can you just move over?
Well, just think about.
No,
I'm not going to tell him. I'm just saying. Just think about what happened to the sail and the way you did it last time.
What, today?
Yeah, just when you got the tangled up around the sheet.
Well, I've never seen that happen before, so... Right.
Oh, we've got a catamaran. They're got because they can take all the wind and they don't actually blow over. I love seeing that white water behind us. That's good, isn't it?
That's going to lose that over. If you make it. Sorry.
Tighter.
Tighter.
I have to give credit to my dad. He does know what he's doing.
That's too far. Put it a little bit. That's it.
At least more than me, anyway.
This is nice. Put the sail in a bit. So it's all shaky. Sail. Put it a little bit, that's it. Put it on, so that's like a Caribbean island or beach. Huh?
Yeah.
It's a bad fashion on the
Yeah.
It's good, you know, I love it, I think it's really good. I know it's a bit rough to start off with, but we're still going.
I know, we are.
Eventually, we reached the point where it was time to go back.
Okay, so I'm going to man.
Right over.
So we began trying to get the mainsail down. I mean, obviously we had our replacement, which did work. The problem is, as the sail goes down, it's wrapping around the boom. And as more of it gets wrapped around the boom, you need more force to keep turning it and wrapping more of the sail.
Yeah, the gear's slipping a bit now. How does the sail come down? Oh, like that?
Put it down.
Yeah.
Drop down a bit. Over there, drop down, go back over there.
But anyway, in the end we got the sail down. And we just had the front sail up. That's what we had control over. To actually get back, we decided we don't need the electric motor. We're going to come in under our own sail.
Perfect. Yeah, we're good at that.
So yeah, overall, we had a good day. I think the biggest achievement was we didn't use our electric motor. We went out there using the sail, and we came back with sail, and that was it. So yeah, that's it. That's the end of episode 4. Wow. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.